If you dream of longer, thicker, and naturally darker lashes, this simple DIY lash serum is your secret weapon. This powerful blend works like magic. Castor oil deeply nourishes your lash follicles, promoting rapid growth and preventing breakage. Black Surma, a traditional kohl used for centuries, not only enhances lash darkness but also strengthens roots with its mineral-rich formula. And vitamin E? It seals in moisture, stimulates hair growth, and repairs weak, thinning lashes, making this serum a perfect natural remedy to transform your eyes in just a few weeks. Let's make this all-natural lash serum using just 3 simple ingredients you probably already have at home. In a small clean container, add 1 teaspoon of castor oil. This is the base that stimulates growth and deeply conditions your lashes. Now, add 1 teaspoon of Black Surma. Make sure it's clean and finely powdered. Surma is rich in natural minerals that strengthen the lash line and give a fuller appearance. Next, pierce 2 Vitamin E capsules and squeeze the oil into the mixture. Vitamin E improves blood circulation around the lash follicles and helps in faster growth. Mix everything well until it forms a smooth, dark liquid. Your eyelash growth serum is ready. Apply this serum every night before bed using a clean mascara wand or eyeliner brush. Make sure your lashes are makeup-free and dry.